Okay, so real quickly, we're going to go over a random forest implementation in scikit-learn. So this is extremely similar to logistic regression and extremely similar to decision trees. So we're going to take the same thing that we've been doing so far, where we just use 100 days of the Seattle weather. And then down here, what I do is I'm just going to call this ensemble.randomForest classifier instead of the decision tree or instead of the linear regression. I import it like I've got you show you up here by convention. Just call ensemble or import ensemble from scikit-learn and then just call ensemble random forest classifier. And you'll see that if I run this, little warning there on some of the default values that we can set, I get the same accuracy that I had on the decision tree. But if I print the confusion matrix, you'll see the accuracy is actually a little bit different. So it looks like the random forest didn't quite fit as closely to the data as the decision tree did. We still do really well on predicting when it's not going to rain, but we're not perfect. And we actually do slightly better down here in predicting that it is going to rain. So you can see that on one feature, using a random forest compared to a decision tree, that the ensemble classifier probably did a better job of managing both bias and variance relative to logistic regression and just the raw decision tree. So very powerful with a single feature. You'll get an opportunity in the next couple of sections to deploy this against the feature set that you build that's larger and see how well you can improve this classification algorithm to predict whether or not it's going to rain in Seattle.